welcome back to the Gridding Guy. So, I'm getting a lot of questions from my 40 subscribers about the Joetisserie. The main one asking, can you do 2 chickens on one Joetisserie? So, we're going to find out. We're all set up. We're about 160. It's all going. Let's do it. So there we go. 2 chickens on one Joetisserie. Kind of set it up butt to butt, one way, one the other, to that interlock.
Can you stop me?
Yeah, I'll start you on your swing 1 minute. And I've used this seasoning, sweet bones and butts. So with rotisserie, you can literally just add a bit more seasoning. Boom, 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 boom. And yeah, there we go. Let's let it cook. Let's have a look. It's about 160 cells. It's good. It's a bit smoky because the fat's dripping down. Tried to put the coals to the back, but with 2 of them on, it's quite a lot. So they're getting a bit of smoke, but I think it's going to add to the flavour. Looking good. Right, these are done. They're up to temp. They're all going, so yeah. 2 chickens on a rotisserie. Can do it. We're going to get them off, rest them, then we'll carve them. And there we go. 2 chickens on a rotisserie, all carved, all done, all ready. And it is so freaking tasty.